What's up, everybody? Jay here with another lightning race. I know, it's another lightning race. I've been doing a lot of these lately. But I got word from a friend that a Walmart that I could stop at in between schools this morning had some of the models left over from 2017. So I picked up a few. Let's check them out. Alright, so let's get off this hot bus and get home so we can race these things. Let's take it over to trackside. Racers are lined up, top two move on. On your mark, get set, go! Go! And the blue Rally Cat is moving on. Winner of this race takes it on in the final. On your mark, get set, go! Go! And it'll be the blue Rally Cat taking on the Viper in the final. Both cars are lined up. Let's see how it shakes out. On your mark, get set, go!
Winner, lane 2.
Go! And the blue Rally Cat is your winner for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications. And as always, and as cheesy as it sounds, we'll see you in the winner's circle.